Rextron, founded in 1998, is one of the key global suppliers in IT industry. It has dedicated its engineering resource in developing KVM switch and Pro AV products. All Rextron products design and manufacturing, as well as marketing, are 100% conducted in Taiwan. Rextron's product lines cover a wide range of applications as the followings. Data center solution includes flexible KVM switch, reliable KVM extender, and robust LED console drawer. Control center solution includes KVM matrix over IP, flexible video wall, and large-scale KVM control system. Airport solution includes flexible video wall, large-size LED display, and video-audio broadcast system. Railway control solution includes large-size LED display, KVM extender over fiber, and video-audio matrix over IP. Office solution includes multi-view KVM switch, mouse roaming KVM switch, and reliable KVM extender. Boardroom and meeting room solution include powerful meeting system, Pro AV switch, Pro AV extender, and conference table connectivity box. Rextron is specialized in assisting clients design, manufacturing, and marketing the products all over the world. Please visit our website if you have any inquiry.